Hello, I'm Shaun Thomas, and today I'm going to go over 4.1-3 for our graphics assignment, which is a spinning cube. So I'm going to go ahead and run the program. Um, so as you can see here, we have a cube, and then when I click and drag, it rotates the cube around. And as you can see here, the colors are a little different. That's not part of the technical, I guess, part of this, but just that'd be a little fun to change the colors. Um, But instead of using the arrows to move them, as you can see right now I'm using the arrows, you can also use your mouse to click and drag the cube around. So now I'm going to go ahead and walk through some of my code. Um, so my main contribution to the project was making this function, which essentially allows the cube to be rotated by figuring out the coordinates of the mouse. So essentially what happens here is if the left mouse button is being clicked um, inside of the window, we look to see, we first set mouse press equals true, and then we try to get the coordinates of the x and y position of JC double, and then we get the GLFW cursor position from the window and the x position and y position, um, and then we'll get the last mouse position by setting it to the current one. So that pretty much tells inside of the loop for the entire code how much to rotate the cube. And when we put this inside the loop, it looks really fluid and looks like the cube is spinning. When in reality we're simply frame by frame moving it by the given pixel inside of the loop, or by the given coordinates in the loop. And then if we release the mouse simply becomes false. So that's pretty much the logic I had for this function. And then as I mentioned before, I changed the color a little bit, but that's not too technically important, I guess. But that's all the stuff that I wanted to show for this 4.1-3 assignment.